Did you know that a typical diesel engine requires more than 8,000 gallons of clean air for every gallon of fuel it burns? It only takes a few grams of dirt to cause serious wear to the engine and its components. Ineffective filtration can cause your equipment to experience low engine power, excessive fuel consumption, and ultimately can lead to costly repairs and downtime, up to and including an engine overhaul. Taking care of today's modern diesel engines makes good financial sense, so why cut corners on your engine filter? A well-designed air filter not only protects your engine, but helps it run longer with more power and efficiency. Genuine New Holland PowerCore engine air filters are specifically designed and engineered to optimize performance in the machine they are fitted to, meeting more than 42 stringent specification requirements. Each PowerCore air filter uses Microlock synthetic filter media. This superior media is formed into fluted design channels that are layered to give the filter a tight, rugged structure. These channels are alternately sealed, allowing air to enter through an open flute and forcing it to exit out of an adjacent flute. This filtration process catches particles 10 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair, removing up to 100 times more dirt particles from the air that will reach your engine compared to will-fit filters with standard media. In addition, genuine New Holland PowerCore engine air filters have 2 times the dirt holding capacity compared to equal-sized conventional filters. Superior filter components, like advanced radial seal technology, allow PowerCore engine air filters to withstand the most rugged conditions. Plus, the unique contaminant containment design prevents dust and dirt from dislodging when service is needed. Don't risk your engine or your time on inferior engine air filters. Protect your equipment and maximize performance with genuine New Holland PowerCore engine air filters.